What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It is Thursday, September 25th, 2025, and I'm a little shocked. I had a 7 a.m. interview this morning. I pulled up at about 10 minutes to 6 here in the morning, and I hear, Mike. I'm like, who's calling my name? It's like, it's not that crazy woman who lives around the corner. But my 7 a.m. was actually here very, very early. And right now, he's a little camera shy, so we're not gonna like blow up his spot, right? Because I think he's a good guy. Right now, he's testing a capacitor. We already gave him the aptitude test where we can learn the strengths and weaknesses, and he did very well, actually. And right now, he is working on a 60/5 dual capacitor, testing it with the Fluke. I think this is the 116 Fluke digital multimeter. And again, I'm not gonna I know you said you're camera shy, so I'm not gonna put you on camera, and because I respect that, because we're good. But tell me about your 60/5 dual capacitor. How's it doing?
It's top 20 microfarads, 46
Okay. Would you mind me showing what you're doing right now, not you? Or you can say no. I have no pressure. You can say no or yes.
No. But
you're good?
yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So that is a bad capacitor. Yeah. Okay. Now, you see this capacitor, folks? It looks pretty. Would you agree this looks messed up?
Yeah, that's
okay. Tell me what size capacitor this is. Say it again?
15 microfarads.
Excellent. See, you didn't know what this one was right away, but now, look, you learned. Okay, test that capacitor. What do we got?
14.
Right?
Yeah.
The terminals of that single capacitor are wiggling around, yet it tests 14.9. But obviously, if you were running a service call, whether it's a preventative maintenance or a service call for a repair, and you came across something like that, we are not going to leave that installed. That is like, and if they refuse to do that, right, it's better to turn the system off and lose the customer than to be responsible for a dead component, which they're going to keep running and they're going to blame us for, right? If you come across this, folks, a capacitor like this, look, it wiggles around, yet it tests 14.9. What would you do? Let me know in the comment section down below. Yes. So Derek right here, Young HVAC Goat on YouTube, right? How many subscribers you have now?
147.
147. Guys, check him out. So when he started here, we gave him the good old capacitor test exam, right? And what is this called?
It's a dual capacitor.
Okay, if you need to replace that at supply house, what are you going to ask him for?
The rating, the microfarads.
Okay, what is it?
The 60/7.5.
Okay. Now, here's a multimeter. Please test that. Daniel, you know this is going to speak testament to your training abilities with him.
That's what microfarads?
I don't know.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, how do you use this multimeter?
Oh, Dad, come on. The symbols are the same. How do you test microfarads? What symbol is for microfarads?
It's like something. UM.
Are you used to Daniel's multimeter or your own multimeter?
Yeah, I don't know how to use this one.
Go get his multimeter. Dump, dump, dump. Dump, 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 dump.
I don't know which one it is on this either.
You don't know which one that is on there?
Yeah. It's just this line?
Yes.
Oh.
In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, I need to give a special shout out to the anonymous person who, on a YouTube video, sent $100 because I got a check from Network for Good to Mikey Pipes Philanthropy. Thank you. Really appreciate it. I wish I knew who you were. I would send you a poster. But also, we're going to give a shout out to Tony Miles of Dearborn, Michigan. Isn't Michigan a blue state? Isn't that where Dearborn is? Where they had the call to Allah. Prayer services. Did you hear about the mayor of Dearborn, Michigan, told a resident of Dearborn, you ain't welcome here? A Catholic person was not welcome there. Can you believe that?
The government is giving out like pamphlets that show like local restaurants and things like that, and it's in like
Arabic,
whatever they speak.
Holy fucking shit! They gotta be fucking kidding me. We need to send, whatever. Okay, ready, Derek? And we'll talk about Tony Miles and the 2 posters that he ordered in a minute. Uh-oh. I apologize for putting you on the spot, Derek.
No, you're good. Why does it... I think it's on microphones.
I don't know. I'm not familiar with that UEI.
UEI.
Oh, it's the thermostat. The multimeter is made by UEI.
Love honeydew.
I know you do. Okay. Let's test.
I mean, it's just kind of a multimeter. Is it calibrated? 57, 55. Alright.
Does he have on the right setting, Daniel?
So you had it on the wrong side. I had it right the first time though.
Damn, he's sweating. Look at this.
Nah, it's the rain.
It's the rain.
Yeah, 59, right? Yeah, that's about right.
Okay, is it good or bad?
It's good.
Yeah?
What's it rated for? It said 50. It said 59, and then it said what's it rated for? 60 over 7.5.
Okay, so let's, not that I doubt what you're saying, but we're going to take our Fluke multimeter and set it to read capacitance, which is indicative of that, those 2 horizontal lines, and then the straight vertical line, and then like the half little moon right there. And we're going to go from common to Herm, and we're going to get 59.8. We're going to do common to fan, and we're going to get 7.57. So this is a good capacitor. Excellent. Good job, Derek. But now you know that those 2 little lines right there. Yep. All right, folks. Tony Miles asked for 2 posters when he sent a donation of $100 to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy Charitable Organization. He wants one for his friend Keith. So you know what? I am going to use the gold marker. Nah. Gold's not working out too well for me there. Let's try the red marker. All right, now I know it's not the best, but it does say to Keith, Mikey Pipes, number 81 of 150. You can thank your friend Tony. Number 82 is going to Tony. And Tony. The markers kind of suck, but Tony, thank you. God bless you, bro. Number 82 of 150. We're gonna roll both of these up. Number 81 and 82. I'm putting it into a U-line shipping tube. And I'm actually gonna treat this one with a little bit more love. Uncut, unedited raw, see? And we're gonna bless you with some stickers. You're gonna get the Hacks Bring Me Stacks. You're gonna get St. Mike, 2 of each. Oh, there's only 3 left. The Brolic, 1 of those. And to make up for 1 of those, 1, 2, 3, and a magnet. 2 magnets. And since you're such a nice guy, we're also going to give you 2 ACIQ pens. There's no more Mikey Pipes left. Mikey Pipes pens left. We're going to give you 2 ACIQ pens. These are nice pens. One's black, one's white. I mean, one's black, one's blue. They're going in there. And then we're going to tape it up. So no one gets lost in the mail. See, right there. Another one right there. Okay, and in case you're wondering, Russell, who is camera shy, is starting tomorrow. Tony, this is going out in the mail today in Dearton, Michigan. There you go, Tony. I got you. Thank you so much. You're the man. I'm going to give Tony a call. Because I am that motherfucker. Imagine he's like an old man, like senior citizen, and like I'm waking him up.
Yes, you have reached Tony Miles. 317-9 short message, but I'm going to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
Tony, forgive me. It's me, Mikey Pipes. It is 7:37 here in the great communist state of New York. I was calling you to thank you for your $100 donation. I just signed 2 posters. Janine's going to bring them to the post office today. And you are... not live stream, but yeah, you'll see this morning's video on the Uncensored channel. Thank you so much for your donation. I was hoping to catch you on the phone, but obviously you're sleeping in Michigan. Well, better to be sleeping than be woke. Catch you on the next one.